Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to unlock Toyota Lexus use remote to program it back by Autel Km100. We are using this to unlock the remotes. Before you program, you should unlock the remotes if you have the use remote. So let's see how to unlock it. Here go to the special function. Toyota Smart key unlocking. And as you can read here, when you are unlocked, should be light will be flashing. So put the remote here and press unlock. You can see light was flashing, it means it is success unlock. Check. When you see light is flashing, it means it's unlock success. Okay, so we have one more key. I will try to unlock this also. Just press the unlock here. It's success. We can try again. Yeah, unlocks completed. You can unlock Toyota Lexus mostly of the remote unlocked by Autel, like 4D, 80-bit, 8A, all of these you can unlock.